Ayan guys, turuan ko yung mag-install ng TubeBuddy sa ating computer para magamit natin sa ating mga pag-upload ng mga videos. Tara, samahan niyo ako. You're going to type or search sa browser nyo ang TubeBuddy. Let's try TubeBuddy. Kung wala pa kayong TubeBuddy, kailangan nyo to guys para dumami o madagdagan ang inyong mga views. This is just one of the help na pwede natin gawin para dumami ang ating mga views. Ito yung TubeBuddy. Yan, your best friend in the road to success. Grow your YouTube channel faster. Yan, ito ang ating i-install. Install free now. Just click this install free now. And then you are good to go. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, click like, subscribe, and click the bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Okay, tara, install na natin ito. Ang gagawin nyo lang, i-add nyo ito sa Chrome. Add to Chrome. Ayan, and then read and change your data on a number of website. Yes, add extension. Yan, kapag nai-add nyo na guys, add extension na kayo. Makikita nyo rito, magkakaroon na tayo dito ng TubeBuddy sa ating mga browser. Tingnan nga natin kung meron na. Ayan, TubeBuddy has been added to your browser. Ayan, meron na. Then you're going to create an account. Welcome to TubeBuddy. There are 5 simple ways to get started with TubeBuddy. Number 1, you are going to create an account. Yes, you will just click the sign in button on the top right corner of this page. So ito yun guys. Press the sign in button. Then sign in, manage your account and preferences. Ayan. So you have to click this I have read and agree to the privacy policy. I have read and agreed to the terms of use. So just tick these little boxes and then sign in with Google. Here, click this one. Sign in with Google, and you are good to go to sign in with Google using your YouTube channel. So I will just use a license starter, but always you have to upgrade. Now you can upgrade your starter or your subscription to give you some more perks or more services to TubeBuddy. So this is a good news. This channel qualifies for free TubeBuddy sponsored upgrades. Yan, salamat po TubeBuddy sa free TubeBuddy sponsored upgrade na binigay mo sa aking channel. Thank you so much TubeBuddy. Then you will choose add channel. You will notice the affiliate program here. So this means, did you know that you can get paid as well as earn free upgrades for yourself by simply telling people about TubeBuddy? You can sign up now, it's free. And integration, ayan, so you can sign up now, it's free. So I will click this sign up now. so that I can get the upgrades. Yeah. Tell people about TubeBuddy. Those people buy upgrades. You earn up to 50% recurring. Ayan. Thank you so much, TubeBuddy. So I will create email campaigns, social posts, videos that contain your special affiliate link, and tell people how TubeBuddy can help them. Okay, those people buy upgrades. You track everyone that clicks, installs, and purchases TubeBuddy that found us through one of your affiliate links. You earn up to 50% recurring. You earn a cut of every dollar we receive from people you refer as long as they remain a paying customers every month forever. Ayan, we will try this. Standard affiliate, VIP affiliate, super affiliate. So we will have we will get 50% from their purchases to TubeBuddy. This is good. This is one the way how to earn money in YouTube. Affiliate sign up. Yeah. Choose an affiliate code that is easy to remember. It could be your YouTube channel name or something else that your audience will identify. Letters and numbers only. No spaces. Ayan. Okay, I will use my name, channel name, Obra Maestro. No spaces. Ayan, my channel name, Obra Maestro. Your customer referral link will be, ayan, this is my customer referral link. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, copy, and then PayPal email. We will pay your affiliate commission via PayPal each month. By signing up, you agree to the TubeBuddy affiliate program terms. I will sign up. Ayan, thank you so much. So what will I do? Submit. I will click this referral link. Maybe I will submit. By signing up, you agree to the YouTube affiliate links program. Okay, let's try this. Oh, error. Why? Processing your request. PayPal email. Email. So I will use a PayPal email. What is my PayPal email? So I will have to try what is PayPal email, and then I will look for my PayPal email, and then I will submit. So that's how to be an affiliate in TubeBuddy, and then submit, and then you are good to go. So thank you guys. That is how we can earn more from YouTube by joining this TubeBuddy affiliate link. And of course guys, after installing this, you can now use TubeBuddy for your some of your uploads. You can upload more TubeBuddy. Yeah, this is no access needed. This extension don't need to see and change information on this side, so no access needed. So I will pin this to my Chrome browser. Excuse me. So this is my Chrome browser, TubeBuddy. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial about TubeBuddy. I hope you learned something from my tutorial, and if you are not subscribed, please click like, subscribe, and click the bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. So after you have this TubeBuddy, we can try how to use this TubeBuddy for your uploads. Let's see how you can use TubeBuddy for your uploads. So what you're going to do is go to your videos, or go to your and I think go to your YouTube studio account, and then you can create your thumbnail, explore words using Word Explorer, and then some of them. After this, you will see here sign in required. Click here. So you're going to click your YouTube body here, and then thank you for installing TubeBuddy. You are now on your way to a happier and more successful you on YouTube. I have read this one, and then sign in with YouTube. Click sign in with YouTube, guys, so that you can use TubeBuddy in your channel.